heyday, he was one of the top athletes in the country. So what is meant by heyday? Well, it is a period of a person's or thing's greatest success, popularity or figure. Now what is meant by Mayday? It is an international distress signal used to call for help in emergency situations, especially in aviation or maritime contexts. Example, the pilot radioed a Mayday call due to engine failure. So the key difference is heyday refers to a peak period of success or activity, and Mayday is a specific signal for life-threatening emergencies.